Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, grade 5 students. How are you all? Good, very nice. So, grade 5 students, I welcome you in our science class. And you know that today we are starting our new chapter. Yes, yesterday we have completed a lesson in our grade 5 book, and today we are going to start a new lesson. But before starting our new lesson, I would like to ask you few questions. So are you ready, guys? Okay, let's suppose that you want to travel from Lahore to Karachi और आपने बहुत जल्दी वहाँ पर पहुँचना हो, तो आप बताएं कि आपके पास अगर 4 ऑप्शंस हों ट्रैवल करने के, एरोप्लेन, ट्रेन, कार एंड मोटर बाइक, तो आप बताएं कि सबसे जल्दी अगर आपको पहुंचना होगा तो आप कौन सा ऑप्शन लेंगे? जी गुड, एरोप्लेन, वेरी गुड. अच्छा, सेकंड ऑप्शन क्या होगा? अगर आपके पास यू डोंट हैव द ऑप्शन ऑफ एरोप्लेन, देन यू विल गो बाय ट्रेन और बाय कार. ओके, बाय ट्रेन, वेरी गुड. अच्छा, आपको पता है कि बहुत सी जो बहुत फास्ट चीज़ें मूव करती हैं तो बहुत फैसिनेट करती हैं, और बहुत से कंट्रीज़ में बहुत फास्ट ट्रेन्स भी हैं. अभी हमारे यहाँ पाकिस्तान में नहीं है, इंशाल्लाह ज़रूर होंगी, लेकिन बहुत से ऐसे कंट्रीज़ हैं, आपने मूवीज़ में भी देखा होगा, डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज़ में भी, कि एक बुलेट ट्रेन होती है जो बहुत ही फास्ट ट्रैवल करती है. आपने सुना है जी? So guys, today we have a very interesting topic because this topic is related with some futuristic train, and the topic name is as fast as an aeroplane. As fast as an aeroplane. So this is our today's chapter, and you know that we always start a new chapter with new terminologies. And grade 5 student, this chapter is present on page number 69, but grade 5 students, we will divide new terminologies in 2 days. So in this chapter I have decided to tell you about 10 terminologies, so we will divide these terminologies in 2 days. So today is our first day. So if you're ready, I'm going to start my class. Okay, that's great. So our first, this chapter name is As Fast as an Aeroplane. This is our chapter name. So our first terminology is Maglev. 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 Repeat it with me. Maglev. Maglev. Our next terminology is nickel. 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 Repeat it with me. Nickel. Nickel. Our next terminology is cobalt. 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 Okay, now repeat it with me. Cobalt. Cobalt. Our next terminology is compass. 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 Now repeat it with me. Compass. Compass. And our today's last terminology is electromagnet. 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 Now repeat it with me, grade 5 students. Electromagnet. Electromagnet. Okay, now grade 5 students, I will explain you all the terminologies one by one, and we will show you the pictures of terminologies as well. So our first terminology is Maglev. So grade 5 student, what is Maglev? Okay, let me explain you. Maglev is a system of train transportation that uses 2 sets of magnets. One set to repel and push the train up off the track, and the other set to move the train ahead. So this is called Maglev. So grade 5 student, our next terminology is nickel. So what is nickel? Let me explain you. Nickel is a chemical element. It is a silvery white shining metal with a slight golden shade, and this is called nickel. So grade 3 students, our next terminology is cobalt. So what is cobalt? A hard, shiny, silver gray metal that is found in Earth's crust is called cobalt. Our fourth term is compass. A compass is a tool for finding direction. Its needle always points north because it lines up with Earth's lines of magnetic force, and this is called compass. And our last terminology is electromagnet. So grade 5 student, what do you think? What is electromagnet? Okay, let me explain you. A piece of iron encircled by a coil of wire through which an electric current is passed to magnetize the iron is called electromagnet. So grade 5 student, these are your today's terminologies. Now I'm going to tell you about your home assignment. So what you have to do, grade 5 student, you have to write all the terminologies with definitions, with explanation in your homework copies, and then you have to send this homework to your science teachers. And our chapter name is As Fast as an Aeroplane. So grade 5 students, tomorrow inshallah we will meet again with another interesting activity of this chapter. Allah Hafiz.